Hello guys. Today we are going to discuss some basic elements of HTML, right? How to make a small website. I mean, we'll discuss few things about this. So I will start my video, right? Right now, see in HTML, basically we have covered these topic: how HTML works on a website, HTML page structure. It's basic tag. We will discuss basic tag. I mean, there are a lot of tags in HTML and title tag. What is title tag in HTML, right? Okay. So one by one, we will start this session, right? How HTML works on a website. Firstly, we will discuss on this. Now, see, suppose we have to differentiate this website and web page. How we can differentiate, right? A web page is a page containing text, images, audio, video, links to other web pages, where a website is a collection of web pages and related contents, right? So a website is a collection of all these things, right? In HTML, you can make web pages, you can make web forms, right? And images, audios, everything you can make in web pages, right? So second, before starting the second question is, which instructing feature of web you uses when you want to jump from one piece of information to another? That is hyperlink. There is a anchor tag, which we will discuss when the right time comes, which is used in hyperlinking of web pages, right? So this thing we have, right? Now you have clear the difference between web page and website, right? So website is a huge scope comparative with web page, right? Now see, we will see this. Uh, Now see this HTML code, right? Uh, HTML code we will discuss, right? That there are online many editors present to make HTML, right? We have Replit is very good online editor to make web pages. So before understanding the code which we have created in the last page, let's try to understand this thing, right? How basic structure of HTML, right? Before moving to that case, now see this. So how HTML work on a website? See this diagram, right? We have a website logo, and this is the menu bar. Top bar you can view, that is a menu bar, right? And there is a search bar. You can see different thing, images, text. Images are background, right? So I use these are the components of a website. If you go to any website, you open any website like Flipkart, Amazon, right? You will find such things. Or you can see any institute, college, or university website, right? You will find this everywhere. You will find menu bar and search bar. Suppose you want to search a particular page, so you have to go to the search bar and you got the result, right? Images. I mean, images just for interactivity, right? I mean, we have to make our website more interactive so that people can view. They got a very good feel when they see your website. So we use these images, right? And you can use background images. This is the basic constituents of a website, right? Every website present. Now, how to make this in web HTML, that is a big thing, which we are going to do in next few sessions, right? Now, yes. Now let us move how HTML work on a website, right? So for HTML, it divides the web pages into different divisions and sections, right? With the help of website, you can HTML, you can divide your web page in different sections, right? So these are the questions related with you can say web pages. What we have observed, we observed menu bar, and there is a section with some articles, a picture, and a slider. Okay. It also tell the browser more information about each element, right? HTML is basically a browser side coding, right? Hypertext markup language. So now we move to the next part of this presentation. Now look at the basic HTML structure, right? Now see my HTML page structure. That is the main body. This is, I divide into different sections, two sections, section 1 and section 2, right? I put these icons like health search in upper part, okay? And that is the HTML page. So clearly, I mean, there is no use to any annotation, okay? Things are clear to you and in front of you. Now, see this. So that is the basic structure of HTML, what I am talking about. Now see, this HTML page is the root. Okay, tree structure, you can say I make it into tree structure, and then I divide it into three sections: a header, main body, and footer, right? That is the division, right? So we have various tags like div tag, which we will study in next few sessions, right? How we can divide our web page into different formats. So this is the basic structure of HTML, right? In any website, whenever you're going to make a web page, so you have to, I mean, keep this thing in mind before creating. Now see, as far as basic structure is concerned, so now see this, right? So we write a simple code. Here I use HTML opening tag, and this is my closing tag, and this is my body, right? So it will give the side output, right? My name is Manisha Vishesh, and this is my first HTML code, right? So in this way, you can write your first time in code in HTML, right? So what we will do, we'll try to do it practically, then things are more clear to you. Okay, yeah, now we will start.